What's up, everybody? We told you we'd keep you posted on Nova progress and parts and stuff like that, so we're going to make you another little video here. We got a whole truckload of parts today for this little Nova we're going to build. Most of it's from my good friends over at Quick Performance, good buddy of mine, Bryden. So we got it all laid out here so we can show you what it is. We'll start with 9-inch housing, basically factory length, that'll bolt right in that car. They powder coated it for me. Got 35 spline axles. Center section with a 370 gear, billet pinion support, nice yoke. We got the Caltrax for it right here. All Wilwood brakes for the back, disc brakes with the emergency brake setup that goes in there too, so we can hook up an emergency brake, which is kind of a must. The car's going to be a standard, so we want the emergency brake to work. Wilwood calipers, rotors, everything's Wilwood for the back as far as the brakes. And there's still more coming. There's split mono-leafs and stuff like that coming. But this from my boys over at Quick Performance. They always take very, very good care of us. So we're going to have a really good setup under the back of this car, which is probably a good thing with a 4-speed in it. We don't want to be tearing things up every weekend. So anyway, there's everything we got today for it. These guys at Quick Performance, I met Bryden, the owner, back in season 1 of Street Outlaws, which I'm going to guess is probably 13 years ago. And we've been dealing with him ever since. We was the first Street Outlaw that they ever sponsored, and he's still taking care of us to this day. So we've maintained a real good relationship with them. Matter of fact, him and his wife and son are some very good friend of our family, and so when it comes to rear end stuff, that's the only people we're going to use. They're good people, good friends. So we want to give a big shout out to Bryden, the owner of Quick Performance. Tell him thank you for 13 years of service and the continued support they've given us, and we're going to continue supporting them. There's your video. We just want to show you a bunch of new parts to let you know that we are making progress slowly but surely. If you would like and subscribe the channel, help us build this thing up. The more we get it built up, the more of this kind of stuff we can do. And thanks for watching.